Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan, nandito tayo guys kay Neverland Game. Sa wala pa nitong application guys, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung link para direct na sa apps nila at legit yung ma-download no. Ayan guys, meron tayong po na 200, nag-cash in tayo. Try natin guys, palaguin to. Sana lumago. Ayan, nasa Dragon Tiger tayo guys. Dragon
12 points, 13 points, either way.
Tricks natin dito guys, low beating lang tayo. Ayan, sabay natin yung low beat saka yung pattern. Ayan, tulad nyan, parang alternate siya guys. Pero sana mag low beat yung dragon. O ayan, nag low beat yung dragon guys.
No more bad. 4 points,
Yan, mali tayo.
11 points, either way.
Basta low beat lang tayo guys. Okay, parang dragon to guys.
Please drop that, please.
Feeling ko dito, wag dragon to. Yan, dragon na tayo, bahala na to. Bahala ni si Batman guys.
No more bad. 8 points,
Okay,
2 points, dragon way.
panahalo. Yan, low beat lang tayo dito lagi, low beat. Sipuan lang natin yung low beat.
Please drop that, please.
Feeling ko dito guys, mag tiger to. Uy, low beat yung tiger. So solid yan. Low beat lang lagi.
No more bad. 9
Ay, mali.
3 points, dragon way.
Low beat lang tayo lagi guys, low beat. Yung dodan yung pattern tapos yung low beat. Ayan. Pag tumama, bagsakan nyo.
No more bad. 2 points,
Ayan, mali tayo.
either way.
Grabe, sabi na nga ba eh. Duda kasi ka dun, tiger.
Please drop that, please.
Okay, dito tayo sa tiger. Low beat siya guys, low beat.
No more bad. 10 points.
Patay,
5
maraming
points.
GG tayo dito guys. Tagilid ata tayo dito guys.
Please drop that, please.
Okay. Last beat tayo, last beat. Dragon tayo.
No more bad. 13 points.
Panalo pa.
2 points. Dragon way.
Okay, not bad.
Please drop that, please.
Tiger tayo dito guys, tiger. Yan, all in natin guys. Sana makabawi. Panalo mo lang.
No
Please,
more bad.
libit yan.
6 points.
Patay,
4
GG
points.
tayo guys.
Dragon way.
Sayang. Alam mo na guys, pag-comment nyo lang yung Gcash number nyo dyan sa baba para mabigyan kayo ng Gcash. Free Gcash yan guys, pang cash in nyo sa laro. Yan. Sa gusto mag-download guys, download na. Nandyan lang sa description yung link. Hanapin nyo lang guys, tapos register. Ayan lang guys, maraming salamat. God bless.